11 a.m. went to 2 p.m., 2 p.m. went to 5 p.m. And by that point, I was starting to, get sucked into that vortex of self-doubt, like, okay, I forgot this, what else might I have forgotten? After that, I put my books away. I went to play table tennis for a while with my younger brother. After that, post dinner, I was mostly just relaxing, listening to music, watching some clippings from my favorite shows. Basically, anything that's not addictive, but at the same time will help you relax. The morning of the exam was one of the few days I didn't need an alarm clock or my mother's help to get up. I remember the excitement and tension of the exam did that job for me. Don't study on the day of the exam. I would not recommend that, because on the day of the exam also, if you come across something that you may have forgotten, it will really mess with your mental balance. It's far better to enter the exam hall blissfully unaware of what you don't know. All along the way, I had complete control of the car's music system. That one day, it was only my music that was playing. I had actually created a playlist also for that day to kind of get me in the right headspace for the exam. I had expected that, once I'm in the classroom, all I'll feel is tension, tension, tension. But truth is, I mostly felt boredom. I just wanted the exam to start and get done with it. If you write mock tests frequently, you develop a sort of set strategy which automatically takes over when you start writing an exam. This is the time where it's going to be most difficult to keep calm, but as far as possible, do try to maintain your mental balance and peace of mind, because this is where errors are most likely to happen, when there is a time crunch and the end is in sight. If the invigilator is around asking for papers or telling you 2 minutes left, 5 minutes left, zone that out. Just focus. By chances are, by now you would have already gone through the paper and you're just giving time to those difficult questions which you're not so sure about. So you will be able to do much more by just keeping a calm mind, because the questions you knew you have solved. Now it's all about trying to score as much as possible by tackling these difficult questions. Considering the emotions I was experiencing when I stepped out of the exam hall, the final result was a big contrast, really, taking into account that a few of those questions would go wrong, but nothing did. I wouldn't say I was very happy. For a while I was numb.